you start with the name and the department you're with, please?
BRIAN MCGRATH. Captain Brian McGrath, Ventura County Fire.
And what happened in Camarillo today?
Just after 1:15 this afternoon, we got reports of an aircraft down over by the wastewater facility plant in Camarillo off of Howard Road. When firefighters arrived on scene, they did see one person outside of the aircraft and one person still inside. Luckily, that person was able to self-extricate, which means they were able to get themselves out with the assistance of firefighters. When we evaluated them medically, they both had moderate injuries. We did end up transporting each of them to Ventura County Medical Center for further medical follow-up. We're not unsure of why the plane went down where it did. It's going to be investigated by NTSB as well as their partners out here, the Ventura County airports. We do know that the plane is a Rutan long easy style plane, which is going to be an experimental plane.
Okay, and is there anything else you would like to add at this time?
If you do happen to have an experimental plane or anything of that nature, we ask you to please be diligent and be careful when operating those planes, and as well as in the areas. Please be careful out there and be prepared for that upcoming storm.
Alrighty, and then last thing, I just need your name and the department you're with one last time.
Brian McGrath, Ventura County Fire.